Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, hope things are going fantastically for you, and welcome back to day 658 of my 1000 day Lumosity challenge. And you'll notice that the home screen looks slightly different than it usually does. That's because I've actually started this workout, and I did start recording it, but being the absolute moron that I am, I didn't have enough charge on this thing, and so it cut off in the middle of the second puzzle. So, if I hit continue, you'll notice that up in the top right hand corner there's one yellow segment in that circle. So I have completed one task. It was the color match puzzle that I've seen before. I think it was 17,000. So we're starting from the center round, and we have fuse clues, which is by far and away my least favorite puzzle. I mentioned this yesterday, in fact, and now you're about to see why. Funny thing is, it says logical reasoning on the front. There is no logical reasoning in this. None at all. And to show you why, I'm going to start at a simple one. So let's go back to 4. I like this bird. So, here's how this particular game works. You have to use the yellow numbers on the left-hand side and place them on the gaps you see on the right-hand side. The numbers you have to place there are part of the pattern that is formed throughout all the numbers. What that pattern is completely up in the air at any given point. You have to figure it out. And while it might seem easy at the lower levels, it's just, you add 3, or you multiply by 5, or, something like that. When it starts getting into the higher numbers, it gives you basically no options, and at some point, you basically have to just start guessing and hoping it's correct. That's literally how I've gotten all the way as far as I've gotten. I cannot... The logic that this thing uses is so ridiculous, it's insane. And let's start here just to explain why. So, what do we got on the right? 20, 36, and 40, so the middle one has to be... Is it just going up by 8? Yeah, it's just going up by 8 this time. So it's 52. Once again, at the lower levels, it's very, very easy. And that's the thing, it actually does show you the pattern afterwards, so that you can figure it out. I'll say this. The time when it starts really getting hard is when the pattern keeps going, but on alternate numbers, which is a really stupid thing, and it sounds really stupid to explain. But basically what happens is that it takes the same pattern, like times 3, or minus 2, then minus 1, then minus 0, then plus 1, and something like that, and it alternates between the two. It's the stupidest thing imaginable. You'll see exactly what I mean when I do this again, and I do one of the harder levels. So, how does this one work? 6, 4, what do we have on the right? Okay, so it is just going down by 2. Oh, wait, stop moving. And 68. I don't know if this one is timed. I mean, there isn't any timer on screen, so I honestly don't know. Is this one just going up by 8 again? Because going from 16 going between those two, and there's an 8. It's at least 72, 64, yeah. Oh, there is a speed bonus. I keep forgetting. I hate this one. Okay. Okay. Again, this is... it's already getting hard. So how do you get from 72 to 158? Well, if you double 72, you get 148. No, 144. And that's added 14. On the other hand, if you add 7 to that, then you get 79. So it's added 7 and multiplied by 2? And I repeat, at this point, you just guess. Okay, and this is the type of thing I was talking about, but a lot easier. So, yeah, I was right in the times 2 part. What I didn't realize is that the number I'm adding each time goes up. And when you start getting into the higher levels, this type of garbage, because that's all I can call it, happens constantly. And much more ridiculous levels. It's so stupid. 25, yeah. I don't think I'm ever getting higher than window 11. Unless I get really, really lucky. Well, speed match. Well, at the very least, this will be fast. 1 second, though. Alright, just in case the power goes out again, even though it seems to be going down. This one should be really, really quick, so let's get on to speed match. But yeah, I just saved the last recording I did, so hopefully I'll have a backup. Hopefully this thing lasts 45 seconds. Yes, no, damn it, yes. I'm already screwing up. My twitchiness will be my undoing. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Almost missed that one up. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Did I get to 10 streak yet? Oh, the multiplier doesn't seem to be changing. I'm really just concentrating on the screen. Alright, that one was over quickly. Whew. Congratulations, I completed my training for today. Finish workout. Day 658. Well, that's it for this particular video of my Lumosity challenge. Thanks so much for watching. See you back next time. Bye.